Evening students, maths intelligent and maths.com. So last videos I have discussed about supplementary angles and complementary angles. Now today we have to discuss about interior angles and exterior angles and how to prove that in that one logically. So if you like, you share it and watch with the videos. You will write it the comment also that one, and you will be pressing the subscribe that in the bell icon. And now we'll start parallel line C. So now we have to draw that one. Now we'll observe that one. Here two parallel lines. So L is the parallel to M. Now draw that in the one transversal line. P is the transversal line. Now what you can observe here? See. Here also angles formation. Here also angle formation. Here also see. Total how many types of angles? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 angles. See, angle 1 and angle 2 are, previous class we have discussed about that two angles are said to be linear pair angles. Linear pair angles. What are the linear pair angles? Angle 1 and angle 2. So, the linear pair angles or straight angle. The sum of these two angles, angle 1 plus angle 2 is equal to 180 degrees. This one is a one of the angle. And the next one more, see. What are the linear pair angles here? One more angles. 2 and 3 also linear pair angles. And 1 and 4 also linear pair angles. Clear friends? Angle 3 plus angle 4 also 180 degrees. Angle 1 plus angle 2 also 180 degrees. And one more example, see. Here the two angles are be there. Angle 5 and angle 6. This one also linear pair angles. Angle 8 and angle 7 linear pair angles. Angle 6 and angle 7 linear pair angles. Angle 5 and angle 8 linear pair angles. So here now we can observe that one. The linear pair angles, the sum of the linear pair of angles is equal to 180 degrees. And one more, previous class we had discussed about angle 1 and angle 3. Angle 1 and angle 3. What type of these angles? See, now these two type of angles, angle 1 and angle 2. These angles are, we can discuss about vertically opposite angle. What is that angles? Vertically opposite angles. What are the vertically opposite angles here? Angle 1 and angle 3, angle 2 and angle 4, angle 5 and angle 7, angle 6 and angle 8. Okay, you can understand? See, one more, angle 1 and angle 3, vertically opposite angles. Angle 2 and angle 4 are vertically opposite angles. Angle 5 and angle 7 are vertically opposite angles. Angle 6 and angle 8 are vertically opposite angles. So this one is the two types of angles. One is the linear pair of angles. Second one is the vertically opposite angles. Now, angle 1, angle 2, angle 8, angle 7. These four angles are exterior of angles. Exterior angles. What are the exterior angles? Angle 1, angle 2, angle 8, angle 7. These four are exterior angles. And what type of the next one? 3, 4, 5, 6. These four are interior angles. angle 3, angle 4, angle 5, angle 6. Interior angles. Interior angles. Angle 1, angle 2, angle 8, angle 7 are exterior angles. See, first how many types of angles here? Linear pair angles, vertically opposite angles, interior angles, exterior angles. Okay friends, now see. One more example of C. What is that one more example? Angle 1, angle 3 or angle 1 and angle 7. Angle 1 and angle 7. Angle 1 and angle 7. What these type of angles? Angle 1 and angle 7. Alternate exterior angles. Alternate exterior angles. Alternate exterior angles. Now you can identify one more alternate examples are be there. Angle 2 and angle 8. Angle 2 and angle 8. These two type of alternate exterior angles. What are the alternate exterior angles here? Angle 1 and angle 7, angle 2 and angle 8. It is similarly angle 4 and angle 6, angle 3 and angle 5. See, angle 4 and angle 6. Okay friends, angle 4 and angle 6. Next, angle 3 and angle 5. These two types are alternate interior angles. What are the alternate interior angles? Angle 4 and angle 6, angle 3 and angle 5. Now, alternate exterior angles, angle 1 and angle 7. Clear friends? So now we are going that one more example are be there. What is that one? One of the angle 1 and angle 5. Angle 1 and angle 5. What type of angles? Corresponding angles. What are the angles? Angle 1 and angle 5, corresponding angles. One is the exterior angle and another one is the interior angle. Next, angle 4 and angle 8. Angle 2 and angle 6. Angle 3 and angle 7. These types are the corresponding angles. Okay friends. Now, when the two lines are parallel, one is the transversal or be there. Now we have to discuss about that in the types of angles. First one, linear pair angle. Linear pair angle. Second one, vertically opposite angles. Third one, what is that? Alternate exterior angle. Alternate exterior angle. Alternate exterior angle. Next one, alternate interior angle. Alternate interior angle. Alternate interior angle. Next one more, that one. Corresponding angle. What is the corresponding angle? Angle 1 and angle 5. One is exterior, one is interior. Angle 4 and angle 8, exterior, corresponding angle. Angle 2 and angle 6, corresponding angle. Angle 3 and angle 7, corresponding angle. Okay friend, now if you are like and subscribe that in the video. And one more thing. So one more, give that one. If you want that in the exercise of these style lines and angles, we will provide to that one PDF file. So if you want, contact me 6300956993. My contact number. If you have any more doubt, call me. That one. Thank you, and you subscribe and watch the video continuously.